Hi guys. Okay, well, we're in the coolest part of the house right now because it's pretty warm outside. But as you know, the Cellars, when they sold the house, of course, we knew there was a wine cellar down here, or a grotto, or whatever they call it. It's dug out underneath the rock and actually goes underneath the street. So in America, when you buy a property, you own it all the way down to the center of the earth. Apparently not so in Italy. We own the part that's under the street. But the cool thing is he left us a ton of wine. And we start digging through going, oh, is it vinegar? What are we going to do? No, these are fine wines. And they date back to I think the earliest one was 1975 or something like that. And 1980s, there's Vino Nobile, there's Brunello, there's some we don't even know what they are. So today we're going to choose one, maybe even an unlabeled one. We're going to find out, is it a great, fabulous wine, a total treasure, or is it going to be on tomorrow's salad? Let's have a look. Okay, so let's pull out a couple bottles and see what we've got.
Okay, so here's...
What is that?
Have to wipe off the dust on there to
Let's see.
See what it reveals.
Bracchetti
Is it Brunello?
or something? Bracchetti or something? I don't know. It's not Brunello. Brachetti. Okay, well, we'll see about that one.
Okay.
What's the next one look like, Pete? Oh my God. Okay, this one you can... Something Montepulciano. Di Abruzzo. Montepulciano di Abruzzo. Blah, blah, blah. Let's girare this a little bit. Okay, I have no idea what that is. Maybe in the better light I can see. That's a possibility. Oh my goodness, look at that. Okay, it's half empty. I think that's salad dressing right there, even if it's salad dressing. I don't know, I will just probably throw it out. Okay, what else we got? My gosh, there's so many beautiful bottles here too. Some are odd shapes and sizes. What is this? Gattinata?
It's an old one. Look at the date on it.
1973. Is there still wine in there? Look at the cork. It looks intact.
Yeah.
It's intact. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, that's a potential as well. What other goodies? What is this square one over here, Pete?
Let's see.
Don Byro. And I don't know if that's a wine or... No idea.
I don't know what this
Oh my goodness, what does it say? Don Byro. DEO Optimo Marimo. No idea what that is. Possibly a grappa or something. Are these all wines? Do we even know?
Well, maybe they're different things. I don't know, but it looks like we've got three good candidates.
We got three good candidates. Let's take them up, and we're going to try one of them and see if it's any good. Okay, we'll let you know. Okay, dang, the label comes off when you wipe it off to see what's underneath. Cantine something Braccetto.
I don't even see any vintage on it.
I don't see a date either. It looks like
it's old.
The
That's
cork
all
is
I know.
gas. It's old for sure.
Okay, then there's
And this one, did you wipe the label off? This is
That's the 1973.
Gattinara, original controllata, something cantine from Gattinara, Italia, 1973. Oops. Gattinata, Italia, 1973. Wow.
Okay.
What's this one?
This one.
It's
I tried to clean off the label.
Oh, this is the one from
But that's the
Montepulciano.
Montepulciano.
I wonder if that's a Vino Nobile. You know, Vino Nobile is like Vino Nobile da Montepulciano.
Okay. Well, maybe we should try this one.
Let's try that one. I love Vino Nobile.
Okay.
Wow, that is an aged cork. Here comes the cork. Will it stay intact?
No.
Oh my goodness.
We're going to have to use another method.
Okay, here's cork take two.
No, I'm just extracting pieces of cork. It's not really
Okay.
working.
Okay. Well, is there a hole big enough for wine to come out?
I can smell the wine.
Does it smell good?
It smells good, yeah.
Oh, well, smell is
Okay, I'm
all
going
right.
to dig out some of this with a knife.
Okay, so Pete got most of the cork out of the bottle and some wine came out. It smells pretty nice, actually. Give it a sip, Pete. What do you think? Little sip, it might be awful.
It's not bad. It tastes actually really pretty light. It's got a really interesting flavor. I can taste the cherry. It's quite good.
Okay.
It's actually really good.
So this wine was not a disaster, but again, I think it's a Vino Nobile de Montepulciano, in which case that's one of our favorite wines. So we have no idea how old it is. We're going to go enjoy a steak and a beautiful wine, thanks to the Cellars who left it in our wine cellar
thank you.
for us to discover.